So today is December 31st, 2023. This is just a quick update. These are the two aft keel pieces. They've both been fiberglassed on one side, so that the side that's got the fiberglass on it will be the inside, because that'll be the area that's hard to get to. Later, the outside part will be easy. The inside part, this has just got 6-ounce fiberglass on it. You can see I doubled it up in some places rather than cut the cloth off and save the little scraps. So just reinforced it. The batteries will go in this area here, so the extra reinforcing is probably a good idea. And then these two pieces here, these are the forward parts of the keel. Same thing there. So this morning I'm just going to trim the fiberglass off the edge of these and sand the edges down a little bit. So I use a oscillating saw just to trim the fiberglass off the edge, and then I use this sander here to sand them down. It's an Arbortech sander. What I like about this is it's variable speed, so I can slow it way down, and then I've also got it hooked up to my vacuum cleaner there, which is excellent. So suck up all the dust, keep things neat in here. So I'm going to be trimming that off and sanding that down, and then I will probably move this stuff from the front of the garage door here and then set these keel pieces up, going out the door, because I need at least another 10 to 12 feet out the front there to set them all up, and then take that thing that I have for that mocks up the batteries and just stick that in there and decide on how, what exactly the shape of this thing is going to be. I think I'm going to go for a little bit of a teardrop-ish sort of shape to it, so a little wider up at the front, and then so maybe a third of the way back, something like that would be the widest point, and then the rest of it will taper down to the stern. So that's the general thinking there. I don't have all those dimensions all figured out yet. I'm just going to lay it out and sort of eyeball it, and then do a little bit of calculating on displacement and that sort of thing, and make sure it all works out and that there's plenty of room. Obviously, I want to be able to fit these particular batteries in that I've picked out, but I also know that the boat should last a long time, and new battery technology is coming out all the time. So I will make it a generous sort of space for the batteries, with the hope that if, at some point when I upgrade the batteries, maybe a decade from now or something like that, that I will be able to fit in other things that I want to fit into this space that aren't known at this moment. So anyway, so that's the idea. And I'll probably take another video later when I've got these things set up with the approximate shape that they're going to be.